Dear countrymen and women, the Acholi community in different parts of the country, I'm by the name of Albino Ronald, the National Youth Chairman, National Economic Empowerment Dialogue, NEED Party. Ladies and gentlemen, I decided to have this moment to bring in my voice for the people of Apaa. The killing and the malicious damage of properties in Apaa is becoming unbearable to the Acholi community. The government of Uganda has failed to protect the lives of the innocent people and their properties. The government of Uganda intentionally destroyed the love people have for them. And that's why they have failed even to stop the malicious damage and the killing in Apaa. Ladies and gentlemen, we all have the same blood, just like the people of Apaa. We all have the same blood, just like any other people in the world. We all deserve better treatments, just like any other people in part of Uganda. Had it been that this was happening in Acoli, the government could have gotten out clearly and fighting this vice. But for over 12 years, the government of Uganda has failed to protect and stop this war against Acholi community living and settled in Apaa. People have grown in their crops, God has given them good harvest, but finally it has come that nothing is being left. The last 3 days attack is more than any other attacks. So many lives were lost, so many properties were damaged, houses were burnt, single mothers are increasing every day. We have that right constitutionally. The government must protect their people. What is it? What is so unique about us, the Acholi community? We have never been at peace. Starting from the day I was born amid his war, amid his gunshots. I experienced gunshots from then up to date. The silent killing has continued after the demise of the gun sounds. The silent killing has continued. The silent killing of the people of Apaa, the silent killing of the people of Lamore, the silent killing of the people of Agago, the silent raids of the people of Agago, that the government has failed to come out clearly to stop this violence. As a national youth leader, as a member of this community, as a leader in this land, I call upon my fellow people, I call upon my fellow youth that let's come up. Let's protect our parents. Let's protect our brothers. Let's protect our sisters against all these harms. I therefore call upon the Acholi Parliamentary Group, no matter the division in your group as I talk now, let's leave the division and let's focus and build up a body that will enforce and trust so that we build a strong system that can protect our people. We shall never continue to be at peace if we are still divided, even amid this war. They always say actually that when there is death, the differences between brothers and sisters first ceased fire, and we focus on the issue that is affecting the people. Let's leave the reckless fight of leadership. Let's focus. I call upon Honorable Hamos, come and convince your people. Call upon your people. Let's unite, get back together. I call upon Honorable Call and the section. Come and join hand with Honorable Lanya and the rest. Let's leave politics of division. Let's leave politics of areas. Let's leave politics of leadership. Let's focus on this vice. And I call upon Kekal Kwaro. Acholi has never been a fearful tribe. We are known as the warriors. Let's do and get our ways out of these fights. Let's get our ways out of this war. May the Lord of our land, may the Spirit of our land protect the people and hold their properties. Thank you.